Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add a fade transition to your videos inside of CapCut. So I've already got two clips loaded into my timeline right here, and as you can see from the video preview, there is no fade transition, it is just an instantaneous cut. So what I would want to do is I would want to go over to the transitions tab that we can find here at the top of our screen. And here we're going to be able to see an assortment of transitions. So simply click on transitions here to open it up. And then you can also look at the search bar here at the top. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm simply going to type in fade in the transition, and then it's going to show you all of the fade transitions that are available inside of CapCut. If you want to preview them, all you have to do is mouse over them so you get to see a feel for what they look like. For example, this one, the black fade, the classic fade to black. Then you also have your slow fades, you have your fade scan, your expand fade, wispy fade, fade shift, and etc. etc. So I really like the look of this fade shift so far, so that's what I'm going to add to our timeline. And all I'm going to do is drag and drop it into our timeline. I'm just holding left click and dragging it over in between where the two clips are on my timeline. So now you can see it's been added to the timeline with this white box. And if we play the video, there's now this seamless and smooth transition. If we want to change the duration or speed of our transition as well, all we have to do is make sure that the transition is selected on our timeline. So I'm going to left click on it until I see a white outline appear outside our transition. And you're going to notice the properties box here at the top right hand side of our screen has changed. So I'm going to slide the duration slider a bit down, maybe make it a bit shorter. So now the duration for our transition is at 1 second. And this is what it looks like. Overall, pretty good. And I'm very satisfied with the outcome. I would say it looks really, really pleasing. So that's going to be it for this video. It's really quick and really easy. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.